This is the robotic patch panel for our Roam automated fiber switch. This panel is designed for LC type connections. There is also a 64Q panel that accommodates MPO style connectors with 8 fibers for QSFP connections. The single mode or multi-mode end devices, including servers, storage, ODF, and other data center devices, plug into the patch panel and are connected using the robotic chassis. The patch panel is 9 RU and can be mounted back to back with the chassis, the whole setup only taking up 11 RU of vertical rack space. There are also 16 fibers allocated for spare connections to provide better serviceability.